Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning friends, welcome to the Link English. Here we can elaborate about English such as listening, reading, writing, and also speaking. Saya kira kalian sudah tahu materi apa yang akan kita bahas hari ini. That is procedure text. That's why stay tuned on Link English. Hi guys, today we would like to talk about procedure text. All of you agree it is a text that we can see in our daily life. In explaining the subject, it is consisting of the first social function, the second structure of the text, the third language feature. Let's take a look. Good morning, student. Today, as we say at the beginning, we would like to talk about procedure text. Before we talk about procedure text so far, we had better to look at the main competency. Kompetensi dasar. Yang pertama, kompetensi pengetahuan, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, beberapa teks, prosedur, lisan, dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait manual penggunaan teknologi dan kiat-kiat atau tips pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan bidang keahlian dan konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua, kompetensi keterampilan menyusun teks prosedur, lisan dan tulis dalam bentuk manual terkait penggunaan teknologi dan kiat-kiat atau tips dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. In this slide, we would like to talk about social function. In procedure text, the social function is a type of text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action or step. And then, procedure text explain how people perform different process in a sequence of step, and then is to tell or describe the reader how to do or make something through a sequence of series. After that, procedure texts are texts that instruct how to do a particular activity, receipt, rule for game, and so on. And the last of social function in procedure text that instruct how to operate things, how to operate an appliance, a machine, the photocopier, and the computer. Structure of the text. In procedure text, there are three elements of the structure. The first we call goal or the title, the second material, and the third step. What are they? The first goal talking about the purpose of the text. The second material talking about some which are needed in conducting the procedure. And the third or the last, the step. The step are the method are needed to make something in the goal. Language feature. In procedure text, there are three of language feature. The first, written in simple present tense. The second, use of imperative. The third, use of connective and adverbial phrases. The imperative sentences are very common in written. If someone asks you for instruction, use the imperative. Be careful when you use the imperative though, as it often considered impolite in English. If you would like to request that someone do something, use a polite question form instead. Imperative sentences dalam bahasa Inggris kita sebut juga kalimat perintah. Dalam karangan procedure text, ketika kita ingin menjelaskan langkah-langkah, kita bisa menggunakan pola imperative sentences. Sebagai contoh, lebih baik mengatakan sit down daripada you sit down. Get up, not you get up. Close it, turn it up, mix them, take the second right, go straight on. Sentence connector. When giving series of instruction, is more natural in speech and writing to join the different instruction together with linking verb. Jadi dalam karangan procedure text, ketika kita ingin menjelaskan langkah-langkah yang berbeda, kita bisa menggunakan beberapa ungkapan. They are such as first, second, then, after that, and finally. Sebagai contoh, first, get water bottle. Second, cut from the middle. Then, take the tissue paper. Finally, use your artistic sense and let go. Besides the imperative sentences and sentence connector, there is what we call adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrase is the term for two or more words which play the role of an adverb. Dalam karangan procedure text, fungsi dari adverbial phrases adalah menerangkan sebagai kata keterangan. Berbicara keterangan bisa menjelaskan keterangan waktu, keterangan tempat, keterangan cara, frekuensi, dan tujuan. Sebagai contoh bisa dilihat di dalam tabel tersebut. Time. Father has left the house before dawn. Before dawn, we call this adverbial phrases. It is explaining time. And then, place. I found your pin right there. Right there, it is an adverbial phrase explaining place. And then, manner atau cara. We enter the house very quietly because the baby was sleeping. Very quietly, it is adverbial phrases. It is explaining about the manner. That's all about tree of language future. We hope it will help you, the student, to make and compose procedure text. After we have looked at and discussed about three language future in procedure text, then we will see an example of procedure text. The title is How to Make a Mixed Jam Sandwich. Material: 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, strawberry jam, toaster as equipment, bread knife as equipment. Instruction: first, take 2 slices of bread, toast evenly. Put one slice of bread as the bottom. Prepare the bread knife. Spread peanut butter thoroughly. Add strawberry jam after the peanut layer. Put the other slice of bread on top. After that, or finally, your sandwich is ready. Before we close the material approach, I try to give some conclusion as the following. The conclusion. Procedure text is a text about how to do or make something. It can be found in recipe, tutorial, and method. Use some words like first, second, then, and finally. The last, we can see imperative word to show the activity. I hope the information about procedure text will be knowledge for us. Thank you very much. English is a language. It means that there is a communication between speaker and listener. Sometimes we confuse how to say and express the language. After this, we will watch together an example video of procedure text.
Hello guys, welcome back to Link English. And today our material is procedure text and we're going to make Oreo Choco Ball. Ingredients are a small bowl of Oreo crumbs, 1 tablespoon of melted margarine, vanilla condensed milk, and chocolate sprinkles. The tools are a bowl, spoons, and a pair of plastic gloves. Here are the steps, but first you need to make sure that we have to wear these plastic gloves. First of all, we put in the Oreo crumbs into the bowl. And put in melted margarine. And then vanilla condensed milk. The next step is you mix it until it well mixed like a dough. When the dough becomes firm enough, you can take a small portion and shape it into a ball. Yeah, do it until finished. Oh, it's the last ball. This is it! Oreo Choco Ball is ready to serve! That's all for today on how to make Oreo Choco Ball. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye! Bye!
What do you think, guys? Delicious? Of course, that is Oreo Choco Ball. If we analyze the video, there are some information related with the structure of the text. The first, title, related with how to. The second, material, some that you need in doing and making the product. The third step, a way in process the product. Okay guys, it's time for quiz. If you would like to be successful in learning, keep studying, prepare the material, and don't forget to pray. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Link English channel. Have a nice day. SMK bisa hebat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. Bye.